How to find any post in a Facebook group. Let's take, for example, this post over here that someone in the group did who was looking for a post that someone did about a hotel sale. Always on the group, you have an option to go to this search bar, or you can look the type of post that was made. But the best is to go up to the search bar and type a keyword. So we type the keyword hotel, and whoever has posted something about a hotel will appear here. And here goes the post we were searching. If you want to search something more in depth, I can see by which person the post was made. For example, I remember it being posted by Marsilda. Or let's say I want to see posts who talk about marketing, but I don't want every post, I want the most recent ones. If we click here, we get the most recent. I can filter it by who posted it. For example, by Marsilda. You can type my name, and you'll see every post I did for this topic. Here you have a lot of filters from the date that it was posted, the location, designed to help you find the post that you want or that was maybe made in the group but you can't find it because there are a lot of posts made.